Hey guys, April 25th, 2022. Today we are looking at Ardx, one of the top stocks for the day. In pre-market, it made a big leap from 80 cents to $1.15. Once that 9:30 bell hit, let's take a look. It was a little volatile, but looks like not volatile enough for people to make some real money. There was a downward trend forming first 30 minutes of the day. So you could have probably foreseen a little break in that trend at 11:25, and then it went on a roller coaster ride, pretty much in my opinion, to where it's going to form a range, and that range that we can probably, um, if this is an inclination, foresee would be from 96 cents to $1.01. So those of you who like playing these short penny stock, you can probably go long once it touches 96 cents or go short once it touches 101. But this is not a stock I think you can short, and I would stay away from this because these stocks aren't going to make any big monumental movements for you to be interested in playing. But let's just take a zoom out just to see something real quick. 20-day chart. So it was downtrending for the past, yikes, month. And now it finally had a quick pop pre-market, not even during the day. So these hedge funds or pre-market investors, you know, made the gains, and I guess they're expecting you to jump in and cover the losses. So this is a stock I would stay away from. Not even sure why it's making news. Let's take a look at bulletins. It says Ardx, why Ardelyx shares are rising. FDA plans to convene AdCom for Ardelyx Tenapano for CKD patients on dialysis. Moves closer to FDA approval. Shares soar pre-bell. Um, Advisory Committee for Xphozah. So it just seems like a lot of announcements and talks, nothing in concrete, nothing like material enough to actually move the stock. So I'm not sure why the stock is moving. It says announcements for FDA plan to convey advisory committee. So I wouldn't put much weight into the stock. But there is another stock that I think is a little more promising. Ardx has been doing over 35 million shares so far midday. But the other stock I want to look at is Sbfm. Take a quick look at that Sbfm. So far, it's traded over 40 million shares midday, which is good. So we have a 20-day look-see. It's, I guess you can say, downward trending. A lot of these stocks has been downward trending ever since Powell's been talking, and I don't know. Things have been rough the past couple of weeks or months considered. Some people would consider. But let's take a look a little closer into a 5-day, 5-minute chart. Give us a better idea of what to expect. So it did break this range that we just created on our 20-day scope. Shows a promising uptick, but for how long that may last, we might not know. But let's zoom in one more time for the intraday. So not much volatility, no real trends, more so barcoding. So we have to say this thing is making a range, and that range would be what, $44.46 as a resistance and $4.10 as the support. As far as the news that is making the stock one of the top stocks for the day, it would be Sbfm. Let's see what's going on. Sunshine Biopharma Incorporated is the company. And it says Sunshine Bio shares rise. So patent application, files patent application covering recent announcement for mRNA, molecules found. So they filed a patent, and that alone is driving the stock to go bonkers. Just filing the application doesn't say they're going to be approved or denied, or if the stuff is promising. They're just filing a patent, and all of a sudden, stock market wants you to go goo goo gaga for this. I don't buy it. So this is a stock I would stay away from. It is playing in the range that we created, so at this point, midday, 420. You either have to wait for it to go above the VWAP, or wait till it gets lower and maybe look for a short bounce. But I think this thing is going to bottom out and dwindle down for the day. It's not even much volume after the first 10 minutes. It just went to to HELL in the handbasket. So this is not a stock I would play. But those are the two stocks for this video, guys. Thank you for checking me out, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.